Welcome to SN Study Lab today. Our topic is mastering negative interrogative sentences in future continuous tense. Today, we learn how to ask negative questions about future ongoing actions. Negative interrogative sentences ask if something will not be happening. Standard form: will plus subject plus not plus be plus verbing. Example: will they not be playing football tomorrow? Contraction form: won't plus subject plus be plus verbing. Example: won't they be playing football tomorrow? Use shall or shan't with I and we in formal British English. He: will she not be cooking dinner? Or won't she be cooking dinner? They: will they not be studying tonight? Or won't they be studying tonight? Add WH words like why or where at the start for specific questions. Example: why won't he be sleeping at midnight? Try this: will she not be watching a movie? Or won't she be watching a movie? Thanks for watching. Like,